Now, artificial intelligence is expected to enhance the speed, intelligence and efficiency of planning and building processes in the built environment. Public Works Chief Architect David Waititu says the technology is transforming the way architects, engineers and other professionals collaborate and execute projects in the built environment sector. Board of Registration of Architects and Quantity Surveyors Chair Sylvester Muli has also called for collaboration between the public and private sectors to pull together to address challenges facing the industry.
Intelligence revolution is fast changing the way projects are conceptualized, designed and implemented in all sectors. Tools like Midjourney and ArchiCAD or building information modeling software have become key in helping architects and quantity surveyors visualize ideas at the very beginning of a project. Speakers attending the Continuous Professional Development Seminar organized by the Board of Registration of Architects and Quantity Surveyors have called for more collaboration between public and private sector players to enhance the growth of the sector.
You've seen these ones, the technology, the AI and all that, where by the time a client is coming to you, he has already Googled, and here you are giving them something and they'll be looking at it and critiquing it even before you have presented this, because they have already done so much of these things. So technology is coming, it's helping, but you also need to be ahead of it.
Public Works Chief Architect David Waititu says the government is collaborating with the professionals in the built environment to enhance training of professionals on the new National Building Code 2024.
Even when you're now an auditor is auditing some of these buildings, they need somebody so that when you're talking over D20, you are not telling somebody who does not understand.
The new code incorporates provisions for sustainable materials, modern technologies, and disaster resilience. Built environment professionals are some of the experts who are majorly affected by the new code, which calls for proper upskilling.
If the budding architects, quantity surveyors, and other built environment professionals who are observing you are seeing scenes, that is not mentorship, that is condemnation.
Of course, those unemployed are largely our brothers and sisters who are younger than us, and that the university continues to churn out. It is an effort that needs to be for all of us to try and find a solution to this problem.
The seminar's objectives include harnessing best practices for the built environment, sensitizing on strategic branding approaches, and maximizing the use of technology and sustainability in various aspects of the construction industry. Alanauko, Prime Edition.